Now in this way, after the ray travels to Mercury and collides with Mercury, it is necessary to display how many light minutes are the distance from the Sun to Mercury. Next, to give speed to this ray, drag a set sun speed to 100 in pointing direction code block under motion like this. Let's connect a component code block here instead of Sun. Okay, now in this way, after the ray travels to Mercury and collides with Mercury, it is necessary to display how many light minutes are the distance from the Sun to Mercury. For that, we have created sprite Mercury times sprite. At this time, it is right if the sprite is made visible. I drag a when sprite Sun collides with sprite Sun code block under the events of canvas blocks here. Clicking on this arrow will give sprite ray instead of sprite Sun, and the Mercury is given here. Okay. Now a show Sun code block in looks is dragged into the when sprite ray collides with Mercury code block. The sprite we want to display at this time is Mercury times sprite. So click on this arrow and select Mercury times sprite. Also, after the light ray collides with Mercury, the light ray needs to be destroyed. Click Add and Remove and drag a Remove Sun code block here. Since the light ray is colliding here, we can use the block collide1 to identify the ray. So let's drag the collide1 code block that is connected to the when sprite ray collides with Mercury code block like this and connect it to the Remove code block. Okay. Now when the light ray collides with Mercury, sprite Mercury time becomes visible and the light ray goes away. Let's adjust the screen again as it was at the beginning. For that, it is necessary to make the previously hidden planets Venus and Earth visible and to hide the Mercury time sprite again. I drag a wait 1 second code block in the control here. After a second, we will make Venus and Earth visible. For this, two show Sun code blocks under the looks of the canvas blocks are dragged into the when Mercury is click code block like this. Click on the arrow here in the first code block and the sprite will be given as Venus. In the next code block as well, click on the arrow and select Earth for the sprite. Now drag a hide Sun code block from the looks section to hide the Mercury time sprite. Click on this arrow and change the sprite to Mercury time sprite. Okay, now we have finished creating the code for clicking on Mercury.